welcome back to our math review. So our number for today is 461. So pause the video and put it into hundreds, tens, and ones and decide if it's odd or even. Go. Alright, so we have a 4 in the hundred spot. So we're drawing 400 blocks. We have 6 tens and 1 1. Because I can't make a pair, that means that my number is odd. Alright, using the number 461, fill in your hundreds, tens, and ones. So pause the video and do that now. Go. So in the number 461, we have 4 hundreds, 6 tens, and 1 1. Now we're going to move to our expanded form. Remember, for the hundred spot, we're not just writing a 4, we're counting by hundreds. So 100, 200, 300, 400. And the same thing with our tens. It's not just 6, it's 6 tens, so we have to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So using the number 461, write the expanded form. Go. All right. So we had 400 plus 6 tens, which was the same as 60, plus 1. So 460 plus 1 is 461. Now we are using our 461 to find minus 10 plus 10 minus 1 plus 1. So remember, the hundreds is staying the same. So look at where you're changing, if it's the tens or the ones. Pause the video and do that now. Go. Alright, so 461 minus 10 is 451. 461 plus 10 is 471. 461 minus 1 is 460. And 461 plus 1 is 462. Now moving on to missing number. So fill those in and pause the video and do that now. Go. Alright, so I'm just going to go through and fill them in. 5 plus 5 equals 10, double fact. 5 plus 4 equals 9, and 3 plus 5 equals 8. Balance both sides, so 10 plus 0, solve the equation, then write another equation. Do that now. Go. Alright, so 10 plus 0 equals 10, and then today I will do 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now today I've put 3-digit numbers for all of them up there. So we have 128, 137, 119, and 172. So put those in order from smallest to largest. Go. Alright, so I noticed that all of them have the same hundreds. So then I'm going to go to the tens. I see 2 tens, 3 tens, 1 10, 7 tens. So because the hundreds are all the same, then I go to the 10 spot, and 119 is the smallest. Then I have a 2, a 3, and a 7. So 128 would be next. $137, and then 172 is the largest number. Now we're doing greater than, less than, or equal. So pause the video and do that now. Go. So I noticed that both of the numbers have 3 digits. That means I touch the hundreds. 100 and 142, 200s and 256. So 142 is less than 256. I notice that there is only 2 digits here, so I'm touching the tens. 5 tens and 57, 7 tens and 75. So 57 is less than 75. And then I notice 2 digits and that they're also the same number, 18 and 18. So 18 is equal to 18. Now we're into our whole part. Remember, we're breaking our whole number into tens and ones, adding and subtraction equation. Do those now. And so 37, we've broken into 30 for 3 tens, the tens, and then the 7 ones. And then 30 plus 7 equals 37. 37 minus 30 equals 7. And then our fact family. So 38 and 38. Pause the video and do those now. Go. Alright, so we have 30 plus 8 equals 38. 8 plus 30 equals 38. Then we have 38 minus 8 equals 30. And 38 minus 30 equals 8. Now we have our time. So notice our hour hand is between 2 numbers. So solve the time now. Go. All right. So, and if I want to, I would move my hand all the way around. And remember, I was at the 7, I go 7, 7, 7, 7. I still am saying 7. I can't say the 8 till I say 8, till I hit it. So I'm in the 7 zone. And then remember, when our minute hand is touching the 6, we're writing 30. So our clock time says 7:30. Moving on to our fractions. Pause the video and do those now. Go. Alright, so we're going to cut our circle into half, 2 equal pieces, and we're going to color in 1/2. And then we're going to cut our rectangle into fourths, or 4 equal pieces. And we're going to color all those fourths, 4 quarters. And remember, when we color in the whole shape, we colored in the whole. Alright, so today we're going to count by 5s again, so count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And now we're going to move on to our equations. So pause the video and complete those now. Go. Alright, so you should have these completed. We're just going to review real quick. 26 plus 16 is 42. 51 plus 39 is 90. 52 plus 29 is 81. And 35 plus 57 is 92. All right, that is all for today. See you tomorrow.